Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from whatacountry. Feel free to check them out at whatacountry. You know what? They have a large variety of items. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open. Okay, you can see already we have a manifest, and we have some paper packing. Came off a roll. Okay, wrapped item. More paper packing. And we have that. So let's set this aside real quick. So, let's take a look at the manifest and see if I can show you the logo here. Whatacountry. Okay, not many items here, but let's go ahead and take a look at the unwrap thing. So what we have here actually seems to have a vintage tag on it for the MSN number. This is an AN/PVS-2 M14 /M1A Mount. So let's see how we can attach that. It does appear to be stapled shut. See if I can get the staple off of here real quick. Okay. Looks new, unused. Paper tag. And single mount point there. And this would be where the unit would actually slide onto and lock into here and stop against this pin right here. This, along with these three protrusions, will help it lock into the place on the left side of the receiver. M14 M1A Mount for an AN/PVS-2. Okay. These two are M14 Sling Nylon. You can see it has the metal fittings on there. Let's just take one of these out. And, yeah, it has taken a little bit of a set, but these are still very flexible, not brittle. Let me do a quick magnet test. I did locate it beforehand, and yes, magnetic. Also magnetic. And on this end, we have the clip end with a black finish. Not magnetic. So some other material. Alright, let's set these aside. 2 M14 slings. And last but not least, we have a copy of TM 11-5855-203-13, Department of the Army Technical Manual. Organizational Maintenance Manual, including repair parts and special tool lists for night vision sight, individual weapons mounted AN/PVS-2. This looks like to be from April 1967 edition. This may be a reprint, just from the shapes of the lettering, but you can see here's the typical military manual with figure diagrams, actual photos, and then a lot of text to guide you through whatever are the subject categories involved. And then eventually you'll get to some sort of appendices series. There's A, B, etc. And I even spotted a typo there. So, alright. So working our way backwards, a little bit of glare here for some reason. Let me switch this light off. There we go, much better. So again, working our way backwards, TM11-5855-203-13 manual. We had 2 M14 nylon slings, and we started off with an M14/M1A Mount for AN/PVS-2 unit. So these all came from Whatacountry. Feel free to check them out. There's a large variety of items. So this has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics, as well as a series of book review media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.